You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this famous German mathematician. He worked with Albert Einstein. If you want to learn more names from mathematics, well, he was a physicist and astronomer. So German pronunciation of his name, Karl Schwarzschild. Karl Schwarzschild. If you cannot pronounce German perfectly, you can say it as in English, Karl Schwarzschild. So it's not Schwarzschild, Schwarzschild. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.